Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to draw the 2-point perspective for this simple block. Alright, as you can see, I have shown the dimension here, and this is my plan, and here this is my front elevation. It means when I look at the object from this side, so you can see the length, width and the height. Alright, as the first step, you have to find the left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. Here we go. How to find the right vanishing point? Parallel to this side, you have to draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, you bring it down. And you will find on horizontal line your right vanishing point. Same exercise for this side. So what we have to do, parallel to this line, we will draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane. And when it intersects with the picture plane, you bring it straight down. On horizontal line, you will find your left vanishing point. Here is your left vanishing point. Alright, now we know our left vanishing point and right vanishing point. So what we have to do as our second step, we have to find our true height, or we call it as the actual height. How to find the actual height? So here we can see our picture plane touches with the plan in this point, as you can see. So what I'll do, since I already have a connection or the relationship in between the plan and the picture plane, I'll draw a line from this point straight down. And it should start from the ground line, and I'll bring the height, actual height, from my front elevation. As you can see, for this simple block, the height is same for all the parts. So this is my actual height. This is my actual height. So let me highlight it. Alright, since I already know my height for this point, so what I have to do as my third step, I have to connect with my left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. Since this is this edge, so we can connect with our right vanishing point and left vanishing point. Alright, so now I found this side and this side. Then I would like to tell you, as I told you earlier in my videos, so if I have any line with this direction, we know all these are parallel, with this direction, so we have to connect with right vanishing point. If I have anything with this direction, it means this edge, this and this. So we have to connect with left vanishing point. All right, let's try to find first of all this edge and next this edge. So what I have to do, I have to connect this one with my station point, and when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll drop it down. You can see this is the edge. Okay, now I'll connect the station point with my this edge, and when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. And this edge is my this. So now you can see we finalize our left side and the right side. So now we have to go for this part. What I have to do, I'll finalize first this one, then I'll go for this. So what I'll do, I'll draw a line from the station point to that point. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. It's here. Then I'll go for this set. And when it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. So now we have to find our this side and this side. So from this, since we already know this edge, so we can find here. So you will see this direction is with my left vanishing point. Why? Because of the, see, it's because of this direction. So I already know my this edge. So what I have to do, I have to connect this point with my left vanishing point. Okay, then I have to find, since I already know this direction or this side, I have to find this corner now. So it means this edge. So if you connect the station point with this corner, so you will find this edge. Draw a line from the station point to the corner. When it intersects with the picture plane, bring straight down. Okay, you will see, so my this angle, it's this one from here to here. Why is that? Because we already connected this point with our left vanishing point to find from here to here. So we found it. Now we are here. So since we already know this edge now, we have to find now this edge. How to find this edge? Let's see this edge is with which direction. So you can see it's with my this direction here. So I have to connect this point with my right vanishing point to find this part. So here is the point. Here we go. So you saw that I draw a line through this point, it means through this. So here is the edge. We are done with the 2-point perspective for this simple block. Now let me highlight the perspective. And I'll erase this line. So this is for the upper part. So we have to do the same thing for the lower part as well. So we are done with the upper part. You can see because this part is gone inside. So that's why, as you can see here, the 2 lines are gone inside. Well, now let's start with the lower part. Okay, what can I do? It's also the same thing. Again, we are here. So with this edge, now I have to find this direction. So this is with this direction, so it means I have to connect with my left vanishing point. So this point I have to connect with my left vanishing point. It intersects with this line, it's here, so it means we are here. As you can see, this is the line. So now I have to find this direction. So with this direction is with this direction, so it means I have to connect with my right vanishing point. Here we go. Well, so from this point I already found the line, so let me highlight the edges up to here, then from here to this side. So here also you have to erase this extra part. Now you can see very clearly we are done with the 2-point perspective for this simple block. So this part which is gone inside, it's here. You can see it's gone inside, and this side we cannot see. All right, I think it's clear for you. So see you with another video. Thank you.